going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So as I was sitting in my office chair brainstorming video ideas, I got the genius idea of taking the hydraulic thing out from the bottom of the chair, putting it on the bottom of a metal exoskeleton arm, and then putting a machete on the bottom of that, so then you can press a button and then stab things with a ton of force. So this may seem like a pretty good idea and all, but there's two big problems. Number one, where am I gonna find a spare chair? And number two, how am I gonna be able to go into a Walmart, buy a machete, and then just leave without anyone questioning me? So with those two problems in mind, I can only think of one solution, and that solution is to call Levelium, because he always knows what to do in these situations. Levelium? Do you know where any office chairs are? Like in the woods?
Well, not in the woods, but I did see one in a pretty dangerous town.
What town?
Well,
Wait.
you didn't hear this from me, but it's a little bit.
Okay, so we're in the hood of the Glaw, looking for a hydraulic swivel chair. It's like a swivelly chair thing. And I remember seeing one of them somewhere in these bushes. So we're gonna have to go search for that chair, take it home, which is another like 2 or 3 miles, and then take the hydraulic thing out of the chair, put it on the arm thingy with the machete, so then I can go like that. So let's go find this chair. I've been looking for. Look at this beauty.
Yes, you found it.
So, there's a hydraulic thingy right here. We need this cylinder and this piece, and that's where the machete is going to be mounted. So let's take this thing home now. So basically, when I was breaking the chair, I broke the cylinder too, which was the whole purpose of getting the chair. So that means we're gonna need to find another way to make this knife come in and out and be retractable. Or if I can't think of anything, it'd probably still be pretty cool to have a machete and go like that, have it still attached to the arm. But anyways, let's just work on the exoskeleton arm thingy now, because that's all I can do now. And it's been like a week since I posted the last video, and I'm just getting to this video now, so we gotta do something quick. So yeah, let's just work on this arm, and I'll see you guys once that's done. Alright, so we just got the machete, or not the machete arm, the exoskeleton arm all done right here. So now what we're gonna do is go on the hunt for a person holding machete, and then we're just gonna go jump them, quickly steal their machete, and then hopefully get away without getting injured. So let's go find a victim to jump and steal their machete. Alright, I think I'm hidden from the cops, but anyways, all we have left is to buy that cylinder thing, and there's only one place on the web that you can buy one of those, and that's the dark web at 3 a.m. So I think we're gonna have to call up the J Nation, and hopefully they know what to do.
So you'll look it up.
Alright guys, here it is guys. The
Pneumatic cylinder.
Scary, guys. It's actually a lot of freaking money, Jay. Are you sure?
250,000. Remember that price. $250,000.
250,000 Bitcoin.
Should be $1 million compared.
I think that's a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
Order confirmation,
Should
guys.
we buy it, bro?
I already did it.
I know what's up.
Order confirmation has happened. Wait, I just got a notification. Order confirmation, bro. Your order will be arriving in approximately 20 to 30 minutes.
So we got the new piston thing, or the hydraulic thingy. So now we just gotta remove the black thing, and then I'm gonna clamp the shaft so that it doesn't break this time. So let's go take this thing apart. So we got this thing all clamped down, so now let's just try to attach the machete to this thing somehow. So we finally got this thing connected. It honestly took around 2 hours to do, and it's just been really annoying. So now I'm gonna secure everything with epoxy to make sure it doesn't jiggle or move around. And then I think we have the blade part all done, and we just have to mount it on the arm, make a trigger system with this back button, and then the whole thing should be done. So I kinda forgot where we left off, but basically all I did was epoxy it, or no, I think I recorded the epoxy. But anyway, the epoxy's dried, the cylinder's taped onto the arm. Now all that has to be done is add a rope to back here. So then when you pull the rope with your hand, which will be up here, it'll push the button in and then shoot the cylinder out, and then this project's all the way done. Alright, so we finally got this thing all done. I ended up putting some tape over the rope here so that it can slide in and out, so that there's a smooth pull when you want to shoot the machete out. So now that we got this thing all done, let's go test it. Oh! Oh!
That worked good.
Yeah. Just do a light underhand.
A light underhand. Oh! The stem! Oh my god, it sucked.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Also, a quick announcement. We have some new merch coming out. The first merch line. We got Lavelium shirts, Brown Dynamite hoodie, and MJB the God hoodie with a PlayStation 5 on the back of it. Also, I couldn't do my own logo because it's really pixelated and bad. So, I was thinking of things that I'm not, and I'm not sus at all. Which means I had to make some not sus merch. When you wear this merch, nothing you do is sus. You could literally do anything you want if you're wearing the merch. So go check that out. All money made on that's going to go back into the channel, into new, fresh, good videos. Also, I'm taking a quick, probably month-long break because I have no money. I'm in a lot of debt, and I think I just need a break to get back on my feet. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, merch link in the description if you're interested. I doubt I'll get any sales, but it's worth a try. So see you in the next one.